Morning students, as we have completed lesson number 6, now we will start lesson number 7. The name is energy flow in an ecosystem. See, first questions are asked on your initial knowledge. What is meant by ecosystem? Ecosystem means whatever environment surrounding us. आपल्या भोवती जे वातावरण आहे आणि त्या वातावरणामध्ये जे लिव्हिंग आणि नॉन लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आहेत, दॅट इज all the biotic and abiotic factor, that is living and non-living factor around us are called as a ecosystem. Ecosystem ची definition: all the living organisms and non-living organisms around us, they have certain interaction in them. So definition of ecosystem is interaction between biotic and abiotic factor around us is called as a ecosystem. Interaction between biotic and abiotic factor around us is called as a ecosystem. Next question: which are different types of ecosystem? As we know, around us there is a land, water, different types of ecosystems are present. So according to which type of nature surrounding of us, ecosystems are different, like land ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem. In land ecosystem again, pond ecosystem, river ecosystem, ocean ecosystem, different ecosystems are again different types. Land ecosystem again subdivided as a desert म्हणजेच वाळवंटातली इकोसिस्टीम, greenlands, different forest ecosystem. These are the types of land ecosystem. Third question: how do interaction take place between biotic and abiotic factor of ecosystem? The answer is biotic factors means living and abiotic factor means non-living. For example, plants which are living, biotic, they depend for their food production on CO2, that is carbon dioxide, and minerals from water. So all these are non-biotic. Plants depend for their nutrition on abiotic factor. They take carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and prepare their food. So abiotic factor enter and biotic factor like plant produce their food. Again, on plants, animals depend for nutrition. After the death of plants and animal, these all the minerals are again released into environment. So again, the biotic to abiotic, there is a release of nutrients. So this is called as a interaction between biotic and abiotic factor. Now the next main topic is energy flow in an ecosystem. As we know, the plants are producing their own food by using the process of photosynthesis. On plants, many animals depend for their food and nutrition. So this is the chain, and according to how they get their food, different levels are there in our ecosystem. For example, primary consumer means herbivorous, all the green plants which produce their own food, and on that green plant the certain animals depend, for example like cow, buffalo, goat, deer. All these grasshopper depend directly on green plants for their food and nutrition. They are called as a primary consumer, and scientific name is herbivorous. Here herbivorous means all the grass eaters are called as a herbivorous. Example: grasshopper, squirrel, elephant, etc. They are directly depend on autotroph, that is plants. After that, secondary consumers, they are also called as a carnivorous. Here carnivorous means all meat eaters. They eat all grass eaters. For example, frog eat grasshopper, owl, fox, etc. These consumers use herbivorous as their food. So the animals like all the animals like grasshopper, squirrel, they depend on for food on plants. And secondary consumer like frog, owl depend for food on primary consumers. Next link is apex or top consumer. Apex means which are present at the top. So carnivorous, they are also carnivorous, meat eaters, but what is difference? They eat to the animal who eat grass eaters. So their position is at top. Tiger, lion, etc. eat fox. So they are called as apex, that is top consumer. These consumers use herbivorous and carnivorous as their food. No other animal feed on top consumers. Next is omnivorous. The meaning of omni is both. They depend on plants and animal both. For example, human being also consume vegetable and meat, so they are called as omnivorous. Example of omnivorous is human being and bear. So these are the levels of ecosystem. First is producers, that all green plants produce their own food. On producers depend primary consumers. On primary consumer depend secondary consumer. On secondary consumers depend apex consumer. After the death of apex consumer, all the energy is returned back into the environment. That we will see afterwards. But now in this topic we have seen different levels, that is producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers and omnivorous.